Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that could be one of the most important financial decisions of your 20s: investing. If you've ever wondered how to start investing, where to invest, or why it's crucial to start early, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First of all, why is investing in your 20s so important? The thing is, time is your biggest asset. When you start investing early, your money grows through compound interest. This means you earn returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns it generates over time. For example, if you start investing just 100 rupees a month at the age of 25 and earn a 7% annual return until you're 65, you could end up with around 2,65,000 rupees. That's the magic of compounding. So it's super important to understand the value of starting early. Before you start investing, it's crucial to educate yourself. Learn the basics first. What are stocks? What are bonds? What are mutual funds, ETFs, and index funds? Don't be intimidated by these terms. They're just different ways to invest your money. You can read some great books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. You can also watch educational YouTube channels, listen to finance podcasts, or use apps like Investopedia to understand investment concepts. Next, set your financial goals. Ask yourself, why are you investing? Is it for retirement, buying a house, or just building wealth? Having goals keeps you focused and helps you decide where and how much to invest. Set both short-term goals, like saving for a trip next year, and long-term goals, like buying your first home in 5 years. Before investing, make sure your financial foundation is strong. Track your income and expenses and create a budget. This will help you know how much you can invest each month without any financial pressure. And don't forget to set up an emergency fund. This should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses as a safety net in case of unexpected situations. Think of it as your financial cushion that allows you to invest confidently. Now, let's talk about where to invest. For beginners, low-cost options like ETFs and index funds are perfect as they offer diversification at a low cost. This means your money is spread across many different stocks or bonds, reducing your risk. To start investing, you need to open an account. You can open an account on the Upstocks app using my referral link in the description box. It's super easy, and you'll be all set to begin your investment journey. When investing, automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account every month. This strategy, often called paying yourself first, helps you invest without thinking about it. Even small investments add up over time, and consistency is key here. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across stocks, bonds, real estate, or other options so that if one investment doesn't perform well, others can balance it out, reducing overall risk. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about long-term growth. Don't stress about short-term market ups and downs. Keep your focus on the bigger picture. The time you spend in the market is more valuable than trying to time the market. Keep investing regularly and let your money grow. Keep an eye on fees as they can eat into your returns over time. Choose low-cost funds and platforms to keep your expenses minimal. Even a 1% fee might not seem like much, but over the years, it can cost you thousands. Finally, review your portfolio at least once a year. Check if it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Make adjustments if necessary, but avoid making too many changes as it can lead to higher costs and emotional investing mistakes. So, that's the complete guide to starting investing in your 20s. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, but when you start. So take that first step, and your future self will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what investment topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.